Ladies and gentlemen, these are the headlines for news on the 20th of March in 2020. California governor issues statewide stay-at-home order. Travel restrictions, border shutdowns by country. Italy overtakes China's death toll. And in the United States, U.S. tells citizens to return, not travel abroad due to coronavirus. Coronavirus raises concerns about lack of paid leave in the U.S. U.S. sick leave and leaves millions of workers in the cold. The COVID-19 updating on the 20th of March 2020. By the news of the Center for Systems Science and Engineering at Johns Hopkins University on 20th of March, the confirmed novel coronavirus cases have reached 244,553, while more than 10,031 deaths have been reported across the world as Europe becomes the new epicenter of coronavirus. California's governor on Thursday issues a statewide stay-at-home order to residents, telling them to leave their homes only when necessary during the coronavirus pandemic. Governor Gavin Newsom said that modeling has shown that 56% of California residents were expected to contract COVID-19 over the next 8 weeks, requiring nearly 20,000 more hospital beds than the state could currently provide. Newsom earlier on Thursday asked President Donald Trump to send a U.S. Navy hospital ship to the port of Los Angeles immediately as the state braces for the expected surge in the number of coronavirus cases. Countries around the world have taken drastic measures, including border closures, in an attempt to curb COVID-19. Countries around the world are increasingly adopting sweeping measures to stem the spread of the new coronavirus, including shutting down airports, imposing travel restrictions, and completely sealing their borders. The outbreak of the coronavirus has been labeled a pandemic by the World Health Organization. Italy's death toll from coronavirus pandemic rose to 3,405, overtaking total number of deaths so far registered in China. The death toll from an outbreak of coronavirus in Italy rose in the last 24 hours by 427 to 3,405, overtaking the total number of deaths so far registered in China, officials said in Thursday. Thursday's figure represented a slight improvement on the day before, when Italy recorded 475 deaths from COVID-19, while the world has stepped up efforts against the coronavirus pandemic by closing schools, shutting down cities, and imposing strict border controls. In the United States, more than 14,000 people across the United States have been reinfected with the novel coronavirus. Johns Hopkins University and local governments, at least 217 people have died. The number of cases is expected to rapidly grow as more people are tested for COVID-19. So far, Washington and New York states have been hit the hardest by the virus. At least 68 have died in Washington and 22 in New York. The State Department raised its global travel advisory to a level 4 on Thursday, a measure without precedent. The United States, in response to the coronavirus pandemic, has raised its travel advisory to a level 4, its highest level, instructing citizens abroad to return home and shelter in place indefinitely. Citizens of the U.S. are also entrusted not to travel abroad, according to the advisory, which was posted on the U.S. Department of State's website on Thursday. Coronavirus has exposed the fact that the U.S. is one of the only developed countries without paid sick leaves. It took a pandemic unseen in our lifetimes to break the political impasse around paid leave in Washington. For 30 years, advocates for the federal paid leave program have lobbied, often in painful increments, to try and pass legislation on the matter. Some 20 million American workers could be excluded from emergency paid sick leaves. The city's annual St. Patrick's Day parade were also cancelled because of the virus, which has infected more than 4,000 and killed 75 across the United States. The virus has also taken a devastating toll on the economy and small business like Kavanagh. He estimates he's lost between $20,000 and $30,000 in sales over the last 4 days alone. And he wonders how he will pay the more than 16 people he employed as servers, bartenders, cooks, and dishwashers without decimating his own retirement savings. So, ladies and gentlemen, there are many ways for you to protect yourself and others from getting coronavirus. You can check and follow the World Health Organization's way in the link that we put it into this description. So, wish everyone health and happiness. Thank you so much and goodbye.